Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm uploading my first video on this channel. So the video is about habitat and adaptations. So first of all, the question rises in our mind that what is habitat? So habitat is an area where a particular animal naturally lives, is called its habitat. Means the particular animal lives in that particular place is called its habitat. So there are 5 different habitats of the earth on the earth. So first is forest, desert, polar regions and mountains, oceans and freshwaters. In freshwater there are rivers, lakes and ponds. So now let's move on to our first habitat, that is forest. So in forest we can see in this image that so many animals are in forest. Some are on the top of the trees, some are in water, some are on the land and some are underground. So forest is a large area that is covered with trees and plants. So forest is very large area that is covered only by the trees, plants and animals. Forests provide shelter to large variety of animals, and animals such as lion, bear, tigers, elephant live in the forest caves, and monkeys and other types of birds live on the top of the trees, and several types of insects live on the forest floor, and moths, snake, earthworm and rats live inside the ground. So next habitat is desert habitat. We can see in this picture that all over is sandy, and this is very hot, and we can see in this picture that there are more camels going somewhere, and we can see that not only camels, rattlesnakes are also found in deserts. So desert is dry, often sandy region. It is all over we can see only sandy soil that receives very little rainfall. In that area, in deserts, very little rainfall receives. It is usually very hot during the day and cold during the night. During the day it is hot because the sun is on the top and it receives sun rays to the ground. So the sand is very hot, and during the night it is cold. Water is hard to find in desert. Due to little rainfall we can't able to find the water also in the deserts. Camel, rattlesnake and ground squirrels are found in desert. So next is polar regions and mountains. In this polar regions and mountains, 2 habitats has been shown. First is polar region and second is mountains. So in polar regions and mountains, the Earth's polar regions, Antarctica and Arctic and high mountains are extremely cold and covered with snow. Antarctica and Arctic are polar regions, and mountains are very cold, and snow is there. So polar bears, seals and walrus are found in polar regions, and yaks and mountains goats are found on mountains. So next is ocean habitat. We can see in this habitat that there is many fishes, these turtles and some plants are there in this ocean habitat. So ocean is the largest habitat. Ocean is one of the largest habitat in all of the habitats on the earth. It covers most of the salt water. We know that on our earth there are 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Indian and Southern Oceans. So in these all the oceans only salt water is present, not fresh water. So large variety of fishes are found in oceans. Whales, turtles, octopus and jellyfish are found here. So now freshwater. By the name of the freshwater we can think that fresh water that we can also drink. So in freshwater, rivers, lakes and ponds are examples of freshwater habitat. Some animals can live only in water, example fishes and shrimps. The animals that can live only in water are called aquatic animals, and some animals can live in both land as well as in water. So these animals are called amphibians. Amphibians such as frogs, salamanders, reptiles such as alligators live in water. So this session ends here only. Thank you for watching this video.